Presentation is on comparing long-term storage performance with a mechanical hard drive. Presentation 5 in the series of how to upgrade a PC. Links to the online PowerPoint presentation are in the comments. On this page, I'll be reading a mechanical hard drive statistics. If we look at mechanical hard drive here, we see it's a Seagate Barracuda. That's a make 1 terabyte 3.5-inch desktop hard drive. 1 TB is 1 terabyte. 3.5-inch means it's a desktop hard drive, not a laptop one. The details of the note on hard drive is capacity, which is measured in terabytes, where 1 terabyte equals 1000 gigabytes. 500 gigabytes are also quite common. The interface is important as well. We want it to be close to the latest SATA standard interface. This says it's SATA 6 gigabytes per second. SATA is the name for a modernish drive standard. The interface is a way of connecting the hard drive to the PC motherboard. The spin speed is one of the most important stats to gauge the operating speed of the drive. The spin speed should be greater than 5,400 RPM for an OK to good drive. Cache size is important, as the bigger the cache with the same spin speed, the more responsive the drive is, as a rule of thumb. As of April 2022, the ratings for different spin speeds are 5,500 RPM is not good. 7,200 RPM is good. Is okay, I mean. 10,000 RPM is good. The fastest is 15,000 RPM. Other important performance stats are listed in this table before. Drive transfer rate. This measures the transfer speed of a drive in megabytes per second. This is the rate at which it moves data in and out of the drive. Bigger number means better performance. For this drive, it had a transfer rate of 156 megabytes per second. Random seek time. This measures the average time it takes for some data to be found on the drive. The smaller this is, the faster the drive. In this case, it is 8.5 milliseconds, where 1 ms means 1 millisecond, which is around 1,000th of a second. Not 1,000 seconds, but 1,000th of a second. Random write time. This measures the average time taken to write data to a drive. The smaller this number is, the faster the drive can write data. In this case, it's 9.5 milliseconds. Average latency. This measures the time taken to perform input-output operations. It's given by 60 RPM, 60 divided by RPM divided by 2. The smaller this number is, faster the hard drive is. So average latency can just be taken from the RPM of the drive. Well, that's all I wanted to say in this presentation. Thanks for listening. Bye.